My name is Dr. Catherine Borgenicht. I'm a geriatrician and a palliative medicine doc. I have two concerns about issues around pain. I have a sister who has persistent pain and has had it for over 25 years. She frequently gets stigmatized because she has pain. She's had difficulty finding a doctor who would provide pain medicine for her. And frequently has to travel over 120 miles in order to find a doctor who will give her appropriate pain medicines. My sister is not an addict. She is tolerant to the medications because she's been on it for many years, but she continues to function in our society and works and is a really good person and does not deserve that kind of care. The other issue that I run into all the time is with other healthcare providers who say one of two things to me. They'll say, "How can you do what you do?" And I sort of look at them and say, "Well, this is what I enjoy doing and love doing." But the other is, aren't you concerned that you're going to get into trouble because you prescribe opioids? I never look at it that way. I only look at it as how I can best take care of my patients who come to see me.